Hi, this is Litre from Toyota Parts Plus. Today we have a 2011 Toyota Corolla, stock number 6336. This ran from the 3rd 2007 to the 10th 2013. It has a 2ZR FE 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 4-speed automatic transmission. This is a 2ZR FE 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front 15 inch factory alloy maggot tyre, left front door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear door no dents, left rear 15 inch factory alloy maggot tyre, left rear tail light, rear boot lid no dents, right rear tail light, right rear 15 inch factory alloy maggot tyre, right rear door 3 dents, right front door 2 dents, right front door mirror, right front 15 inch factory alloy maggot tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, centre console lid, automatic gear shifter, heated AC controls, factory single stack stereo, interior front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,